Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest version on Oracle Linux 9. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Then click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins, then select Linux. See here, Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions. And see here, we don't have Oracle Linux, but we have the Red Hat Enterprise Linux and derivatives. So it supports on Oracle Linux. And the prerequisites are, these are minimum hardware requirements, and these are the recommended hardware configurations. Okay, for comprehensive hardware recommendations, you have to click on here. Then software requirements, we must have the Java. So right click on this Java requirement, open link in new tab. See, we must have the Java 17 or 21 for the latest long-term support release. Okay, so in this video I am going to download and install Java JDK 21. First verify whether we have the Java or not. Activities, open terminal, verify Java is installed or not. See, you don't have Java, Control C. So I am going to download Java JDK 21. Okay, so first install this prerequisite. Now open new tab, go to oracle.com. Then click on products, then click on Java, then click on download Java. See here we have the Java JDK 21. If you are unable to find this Java JDK 21, you can click on this archives. There you will find all older versions. So click on JDK 21, then select the Linux. Then we have to download this RPM package. So click on this x64 RPM package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 188 megabytes. Wait until download completes. After download completion, we will install it. Okay, this will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd downloads ls. We have the Java JDK 21. So install it. Sudo rpm -i vh. Then give JDK. Give the tab. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Verify Java hyphen version. See, we have the Java 21. Okay, so close this one. See, the prerequisite match. Now go to here, then go up, click on Red Hat Enterprise Linux and derivatives. See, once we selected, it populated the two versions, long-term support release version and weekly release. So in this video I am going to install long-term support release. So we have to run these commands one by one. So copy the first one, Control A, paste it, hit enter, then install, then import this sign-in key. Copy it, paste it, hit enter, then update the packages. Sudo m or dnf upgrade. Hit enter. If you haven't recently upgraded, this will take time. And next, see here, install this OpenJDK, font config and Java 21 OpenJDK. We have already installed, so install only this font config. Copy it. Ctrl L, we have successfully installed. Now install this font config. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Okay. Now install the Jenkins. Sudo m install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, it is installing Jenkins version 2.5.504. Okay. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See here, its download size is 90 megabytes. See, we have successfully installed. Now run this daemon reload. Okay, Control A. Now verify the status of Jenkins. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins service is not started, so start it. sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Verify the status. See, Jenkins service is started, and see here, this is the initial administration password. We will come to this later, and also enable this Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl enable Jenkins. Hit enter. It is done. Now scroll down. See, starting Jenkins, we have started, we have enabled, we have started Jenkins, and we have checked the status. Now post installation steps. Now we have to run this command, http localhost 8080. Okay, copy this one, or go to new tab, just give localhost port number 8080, or you can give the instead. Okay, let me hit enter. Now we have to get the initial admin password. Copy this link, copy it, go to terminal. See, this is the password which is there in this file. Okay, or simply copy this one and paste here, or more, paste that path, hit enter. So we must run this command with sudo, hit enter. See, this password and this password both are same, so copy either of them, copy it, paste it, hit enter. Not now. Now see here, customize Jenkins. Now we have to install Jenkins. See here, we have two options, install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. I am going to install the suggested plugins. Click on it. See, now it is installing plugins. This will take time. I am going to skip this installation process. Now go to terminal. If you run this status command, this password will be gone. See, that password is not there. Okay. Now we have to create first admin user. So I am giving username as administrator. You can give anything, then set the password. Remember this password which is required to connect later. Then full name, I am giving the same, administrator. Then provide any email. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Okay, click on, remember this one, click on save and finish. Now start using Jenkins. Also go to terminal, ls, this file is not recorded anymore, remove it, rm jdk, give the tab. We have cleared the space. Okay, see, now we got the Jenkins dashboard. If you want to create new item, click on new item. If you want to see the build history, click on here. If you want to manage Jenkins, click on here, click on it. Then we will have the different options like system configuration, security, status information, troubleshooting, tools and actions. Okay, suppose if you want to install plugins, click on here. If you want to add or remove nodes, click on here. If you want to click create user, click on security and create user. Okay, or click on users. So click on plugins. See here we have the list of available plugins, install plugins, advanced settings. I am not going to do anything. Okay, if you want to create users, go to manage Jenkins, then click on users. Then click on create user. Then click on this administrator username. Then see here we got the same console. If you want change the password, click on security and change the password and click on save or apply. Okay. If you want to create API token, you have to click on add new token. Okay. So go back. Now we will see what will happen if you stop the Jenkins service. Go to the terminal, sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Hit enter. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay. So to connect to Jenkins, the Jenkins service must be up and running. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. We have successfully started. Verify the status. See, Jenkins service started 7 seconds ago. Q to kit. Now reload this page. Now it will ask us to log in again. So provide the username that we have created. Provide the password of this user that we have given when creating the first user admin account. See, we have successfully logged in. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest version, that is 2.5.2.504 on Oracle Linux 9 versions. Okay. For more Jenkins tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.